his fan club?
No. That would be your mother. Indeed. And now he's here to us. So listen up, boy. Or pornography starring your mother will be the second worst thing that happens to you today.
Oh! Give me that!
The spy has already breached our defenses. See what he's done to our colleagues. And worst of all, he could be any one of us. He could be in this very room. He could be you. He could be me. He could even...
What? It was obvious. He's the Red Spy. Watch, he'll turn red any second now. Any second now. See? Red! Oh, wait, that's blood.
So, we still got problem.
Big problem. All right, who's ready to go find the spy?
Right behind you.